Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on follower requests on X. So in order to turn on your follower requests on X application, you have to make your account public. So let's go to X application, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. Now find section that says privacy and safety, and now go to audience and tagging, and finally at the very top of your page you will see option that says protect your posts, and you want to turn it on. So now your account is private, and from this moment you will receive follower requests from new people that want to follow you on X. And basically, to find those follower requests, you have to tap your profile picture, and here on this menu from the list of functions, you have to go to follower requests, and here you can either accept them or deny them by using these two buttons. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.